Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
Earnkaro is an affiliate platform that pays commissions from 8% to 30% per sale. Sign up using your email or phone number and verify your account quickly. You will create trackable links for major retailers and share them across platforms. Commissions accumulate in your Earnkaro wallet and are withdrawable after you reach the Rupee 500 minimum payout. You can also earn a referral bonus of Rupee 150 for each qualified new user you invite. Open the Earnkaro app and search for the product you want to promote from partner stores. Tap Create Link, choose a merchant like Flipkart or Amazon, and generate an affiliate link instantly. Shorten the link inside the app and copy it to WhatsApp, Instagram bio, Telegram, or SMS for quick sharing. Always add context and a call to action to improve click-through rates and conversions. Track clicks, orders, and estimated commission for every link inside the dashboard to know what drives revenue. Focus on promoting genuine products and include honest descriptions to build long-term trust. Use price drop alerts, coupon codes, and festival offers to boost conversions by 25% or more. Create themed posts, comparison guides, and short videos showing product use to increase clicks and orders. Always disclose that you use affiliate links and avoid incentivized or fraudulent traffic that violates platform rules. Withdraw earnings regularly, reinvest in content creation, and test different audiences to scale your Earnkaro affiliate income responsibly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.